next topic that I would like to discuss is spontaneous joy. So I define it as a joy that nurtures you or feeds you. I define it as being present to enjoy your life instead of overthinking or over planning your life. I define it as saying yes to yourself, giving yourself permission to enjoy life again. Spontaneous joy can be a short time frame of say 5, 10, or 15 minutes, or it can be multiple days. Whatever time you choose for yourself, it is important to include fun that you do not have to overthink or overplan. For me, sometimes it's listening to a baby laugh because their laughs are just carefree. They usually don't have a care in the world. And when I think about that, it's like that's how we really can be if we choose to be. And so it's like you have permission to remove the lid from the box that people try and put you in life, and you have permission to allow sunshine and life into your life again. Another example of spontaneous joy for me, it happened November 20th, 2017. My husband and I went to visit the Hill family, and they had cooked Thanksgiving dinner early. And so they shared a meal with us, and they said, okay, we're going to sit down in one place all together, go around the table, and each person say one thing you're thankful for. And for me, that moment was spontaneous joy because, one, it was my birthday. Two, we didn't know that they had prepared Thanksgiving early, and then to invite us to just share that space with them, because sometimes we can get busy and don't necessarily sit down together, but to sit down together and just say what we were thankful for. That was spontaneous joy for me. And then another occasion happened on November 17th of 2017. I love pictures, as you all maybe can tell by now. But on that day, I had a superhero sleepover, okay? And my favorite childhood superhero is Wonder Woman. And so this was me having a 39th birthday party. When people say you should probably grow up at 39, but I still allowed the childlike side of my life to exist in my adult life. And I love Wonder Woman because she always found a way to change and adapt to win in life. And today I wore my Wonder Woman watch because I have a friend who called me this morning and they had a death in their family. And she asked me to come to the funeral prior to coming to class today. And so I'm like, okay, what would Wonder Woman do? She would adapt. Although I had my day totally planned and my morning planned, but I had a friend that needed me. So I put on my little Wonder Woman watch, I grabbed my Wonder Woman bag, and I went, and then I came here. But today, I want you all to write about the last time you remember experiencing spontaneous joy. This is on page 8 in your victory portfolio. Write about who is your childhood superhero and how do you think your childhood superhero would recover from grief. The last time you experienced spontaneous joy, your childhood superhero, and how do you think your childhood superhero, if you had one, how would they recover from grief?